Okay, so now what I'm going to do is take it in 30-second increments. And you should really see it start melting a little bit, but then you have to start stirring it. And so I have these little Chinese sticks or shish kebab sticks, something really easy where I don't have to throw away or mess up something of mine that I put or ingest, help to ingest food with. So not going to be using too much of anything that I'm going to use later to eat. Okay, so it stopped officially. Let us see what comes of it. So you can tell right now it hasn't done a whole lot. Just started to make it a little soft. So just going to rotate because you know how microwaves are. They usually cook from the center, I believe. So I'm going to stir these up and then I am going to put them back in for another 30 seconds. Let's see how that goes. Okay, now, so it stopped. Let's take it out, take a look at it. Now we can see we got a little liquid going on here. So we want to make sure to get all those chunky pieces in there with the warm, melted down soap. And we're going to throw it right back in the microwave to keep it hot so it doesn't stiffen up on us before we're ready to pour the vanilla essential oils in on it. Okay, we'll be back. Okay, now we really got some liquid going here, but we also have some remnants, some couple of chunky pieces that we probably need to stab and break them up so that it won't be so hard the next time we put it in the microwave. And we can move fairly quickly because this stuff will dry and it's already getting a skim coat on it if I don't continuously stir. So I'm going to put this in here for probably 20 seconds or less. Let's see, do 30, but then I'm going to count down, okay? All right, let's see what it is and what it do. Oh, give me a little bit more time. All right, so this last one is the last of the last. I mean, really. Only 20 more seconds, and then immediately I'm going to throw these seeds in here, and then throw my vanilla botanicals essential oil in here. And then we're going to get to pouring because this is enough supposedly for 2 bars that I have in my mold. And I do suggest going out and getting the rubber molds, plastic molds that came with the kit. It's a little bit too cumbersome to try to pop out. You're afraid you're going to break the bar in half. But I try to take my time and make sure that it's fully cured. But again, I don't want to break the bar. So this one should be ready shortly. And then I'm going to jump right in really quick. Use that oil. Let me get prepping. Open up this bag. Get a knife. Okay, we got. All right, let's roll. Let's take this out. Take this over here so you guys can see what I'm doing. All right, so these are my molds. They have different kind of cute little embossed shapes. I'm going to put a sprinkle of these seeds in here, the apricot seeds, and start stirring, as you can tell. I'm making it really quick because I want to be able to allow for the oil to get in here. And I'm going to use vanilla, and I'm going to use I use the rest of it just because I love vanilla. And I hate for other soaps to already have their scent and to overpower the scent that you want to create. So let's see what we got here. Fill it. The second one. Fill it. Oops. Look like I might be able to get a third one in. Okay. And then a fourth one. Wow. I thought it was only going to be for 2. To my surprise. So basically what I have done is filled up these 4 little trays, and you don't want to kind of scrape around the bottle, or should I say the measuring cup jar, because it starts getting thick and pasty and sticky. And you don't want those things to be inside of the liquid form of your soap. Okay, so we're going to let these chill for right now, and then we're going to come back and decorate them and put them in the bags to be sold.